Hello everyone, I am Saidhan. Welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'll try to test the 3 different animations you can get in this Mi11X device while charging. So as friends, there are 3 different unique animations you will be getting. So I'll try to test this kind of charging animations using the 3 different chargers. So right now I do have the 10 watts charger and the 25 watt fast charger and the 33 watt turbo charger. As you can see, these are the 3 different charging chargers I do have. So let's see friends, in this video, if you use the 10 watts fast charger, what the message you will be getting, and 25 watts and even this 33 watts as well. So we will get to know all the details in this entire video. And just in case if you're watching first time this channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel friends SciTech Guru, and also don't forget to check the links in description for more details about this smartphone. So let's begin this kind of comparison on this mobile phone friends using the 3 different charger. So first let me try to connect the 10 watts charger which is present here. So let's see friends what type of charging animation we'll be getting in this mobile phone in the Mi11X device if you connect the 10 watts charger. So first I'm trying to test with the 10 watts charger, so which is a kind of slow charger if you compare with other smartphones as well. So as you can see friends, right now when you connect the 10 watts charger, you don't get any kind of message saying fast charging or quick charging or turbo charging, as you can see. So this is how the message you'll be getting. So this is how you can notify that you are using the slow charger. So in this way you'll be able to see, and on the lock screen you will be just seeing the message called charging, as you can see. So this is what happens friends if you charge the phone using the slow watt charging adapter. So in this way you can easily identify whether you are using the fast chargers or not. So next step is to try with this 25 watt fast charger. So right now let's see friends, using this 25 watt charger, what message you will be getting while charging the device. As you can see friends, as soon as I connect the charger, it says a quick charge. You can clearly see the difference. So before it said, it did not say any kind of message, it did not display any message at all. So as soon as I connect this charger, it says a quick charge. So whenever you connect the 18 watt charger or 25 watt charger, so this is a message you'll be getting. So this is a second charger which I used, and the third charger is finally the 33 watt fast charger which came along with the box. So let's see what type of this animation will be generating. So it is a 33 watt charger which I did connect to the smartphone. So let's see friends what kind of animation we'll be getting here. Let me connect again. As you can see friends, as soon as I connect the 33 watt fast charger, it says Mi turbo charge. So in this way you can differentiate friends what kind of charger you are using. So you using the fast charger or using the slow charger or medium kind of charger. So if the charger is kind of very slow like this one, which is a 10 watt charger which doesn't even display any kind of messages. So if the charger is kind of close to 18 watt charger or maybe 25 watt charger, similarly like this, it will definitely display quick charge while showing the animations. And if you use the default 33 watt charger, it will definitely display Mi turbo charge. So in this way you will be getting 3 different type of animations while charging in this device. So make sure to subscribe to my channel friends, and also don't forget to check the links in description for this kind of unique charging test which I'll be doing in my channel. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.